How we are recording our test drives. Here we have four cameras, one GoPro, one iPhone 12 Pro. This is I don't remember what it is. It's iPhone X and Pixel 6a. Here it is. We have cameras from all the sides and we are just traveling everywhere. Hello there. It's my, as I remember, eighth video about car reviews and test drives, and today I have Hyundai Sonata, and to tell you honestly, I was not dreaming about this car. I was never allowing this car. The only one Hyundai which I love was Hyundai Veloster. Really, I was dreaming about Veloster, but Sonata in my mind always was the car something like Volkswagen Passat, which I hate the most of all in the world. And the same feeling I had with Sonata until I tried it. Today, this car is into my hands because of one big reason. No, two big reasons. First is that my test drives and car reviews are watching only me and my grandmother and no other human beings. Because of it, we have this second reason, and that's that I do not have money for renting or buying an expensive cars. And this Hyundai Sonata, which is 2017 years production, was really cheap for rent. Was very cheap for rent, and this is the reason why this car is fall into my hands today. So, to tell you honestly, I like this car. I like the interior of car, I like exterior of car. She's very comfortable. She's much more comfortable than my previous test drive was. I had the video about BMW 530 and this car is much more comfortable than it. This car is much more comfortable than my Lexus. It's much more comfortable than Hyundai Veloster. It's much more comfortable than Volkswagen Passat again. And you know what? She's fast too. She's not slow. She's really fast. And also she's economic. And oh my god, I like it. I really like it. If I want to overtake someone on the roads, I have no problem with it. If I want to be beautiful on the road with my car, I will have a beautiful car because she's beautiful. She's definitely beautiful. Yes. Also, the very good feature of this car is that I have a big space for my legs. If you was watching my previous videos, and I think you was not watching my previous videos, everywhere I'm telling that I'm big guy. I'm 189 centimeters long and I'm 115 kilos. And what does it mean? In most of cars I have problem with my legs. My legs has no space in many cars, but this problem does not exist here. I have a really big space for sitting. Passengers have a really big space for traveling, and it's a positive moment of car, really. And you know what? She's also fast. Of course, she's not fast like Porsche or BMW M5 and so on, but she's fast. It's just Hyundai Sonata. She's not new. It's already how much? 9 years old car? No, she's 2017, 7 years old car. And wow, yes, we have 90 655 mileage run, and her quality is not under question yet. But here are the many things that are not working good. For example, air condition is not working. Now it's too hot inside here. It's very hot to just take the video of test drive. I don't know why it's not working. Really. Ah. Oh my god. It's good. Okay. I like it. Today when we were creating the first videos, when we are just taking the videos of car exterior, my father was watching this car's interior, and he said that she's too simple, that he expected that Hyundai Sonata is much more expensive from inside than she is in reality, and it's a big problem. Hyundai really know how to create a beautiful multimedia system, a beautiful, very, very beautiful multimedia system. And I had seen it in my wife's Hyundai Veloster. I had seen it in my mother's Hyundai Elantra of 2019 years production. But here we have an ordinary, very simple, simplest multimedia system. It's not multimedia system, it's just I don't know how it's called in English language, sorry for that, but it's very simple inside. And when I'm sitting inside and when I know that Hyundai can do so good multimedia systems, I feel too upset because of it, because the beautiful monitor of Hyundai can make this car much more expensive than she is in reality today. Okay. Price of Hyundai Sonata of 2017 is approximately $10,000. For example, here is like our car. It's for $11,000, and I think it's more sporty here. We can see, yes, at these places it's more sporty than ours. We do not have such exhaust pipes. We do not have such, how it's called in English, I don't know this place. We do not have the multimedia system and rear camera. That's it. Yes, this car is much better than ours. Here's another Veloster. Another for $11,000. Here for already for $10,550,000. And this one has yes, multimedia system too, but it's also small here too. Okay, here's for already for $7,000. It's already going like us. Yes, it's more similar than other cars. For $5,300 also. And with 492,000 kilometers run, oh my god, it can be already big garbage. And $7,400, and it's beautiful and good too. It's how much? 89 kilometers run. I don't think so. 89 miles, not kilometers. Owner is lying to us. That's it. In the same price category, we can already buy this Ford Escape. We can already buy Toyota Auris or Aurus. It's Auris. We can buy Waza 2121 Niva, which is garbage, of course. Fiat. Here's the Lexus CT200. It's already good car for $11,000. We can buy Hyundai Kona, which is really beautiful, and I want honestly to test this car. We can buy also Chevy. Here's the Mercedes-Benz S-Class of 2011 years production. Golf, Ford Fusion, Mazda CX-5 or CX-5, and BMW. No. What is Nissan Silvia? Here's the Honda Civic of 2017 years production. And it's already interesting, but it's uglier than, it's much more uglier than our interior. Here's the Kia K5, which is also a good car, and so on. Yes, in the same price category we can already find an interesting. I do not know yet who you need to be to choose this car when you have so big choice of what you buy on the market. It's interesting.